I'm making chocolate bomb.
You're making Oreo chocolate bomb? Oh, that's wonderful. You got a blender mixer?
And Oreo.
And you got the Oreos?
Yeah, I want to eat it.
You're gonna eat it? After we make them, you can eat them. What else you have there?
Cheese.
Philadelphia cream cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into it. That's right, Faith. Please comment, like, and subscribe our page. Here we go. I'll show you step by step on how to make Oreo chocolate bombs. Faith has the cream cheese here, so she's going to put it in the bowl. So we're going to start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese. Put it in a big bowl.
Oh no!
It's okay. We'll scrape it out. So that's what Faith is doing. So let me help her get this cream cheese out. You could get any brand cream cheese, it doesn't matter, but I like to go with Philadelphia cream cheese.
I buy it in Walmart.
We bought it from Walmart?
Yeah, Andrew helped us.
Oh, yeah.
Andrew.
Andrew took us?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are putting this in a bowl. And this is the cream cheese.
It's enough?
I think it might be enough, but I want to use the whole thing. People were doing the Christmas bombs. They were doing like a lot of holiday bombs. So
I'm taking lots of my video.
I know you got a lot of videos.
Yeah.
So I was like, we could try the Oreo chocolate bombs.
I got lots right here.
Okay, so we have the cream cheese.
I got lots.
We have it in a bowl here.
I think it's enough.
So now you also need.
To the face.
What are you doing?
Yes.
Who in there? Anybody home? Okay. Okay, so we have the cream cheese in a bowl. Next, we are going to need some chocolate.
It's dark.
You can use any kind of chocolate. I went with Hershey's chocolate. So you get about 16 ounces of chocolate. So we're going to chop these up.
I tricked mommy.
You tricked me again? That's not nice.
I tricked her. Hide the chocolate.
I know.
I hide the chocolate.
Okay, so Faith, we're going to crunch up the Hershey's.
I hear it.
I hear it too. It's so yummy.
I have to see it. It's dark.
I know.
It's dark in it's glow in the dark.
What glow in the dark?
It's chocolate.
Where you been coming up with these stories?
Hey!
Yeah, my chocolate glow up in the dark. Lord help us. Okay, so we have our Hershey's and we're going to we're gonna chop it up.
I want to chop it. I want to do it.
Okay, we're gonna do it. So how you gonna take the chocolate and eat it?
Good.
We gotta chop the chocolate up so we can show your friends how to do it. I didn't say eat the chocolate. She always taking food, eating it when we on YouTube, guys. All the time. Okay, so I'm gonna take this knife, and you have to do this with safety. I don't suggest kids to do this at home by themselves, only for adults. So do not use a knife, only for adult supervision.
I want to do it.
No, you're not. Well, you can just take them up and chop the chocolates up with your hand. No, I don't want none. We're trying to do your video, and you just eating all the chocolates. Okay. So we are chopping up the chocolates.
I like the mommy.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's chocolate.
What happened to you? You got chocolate in your nose because you eating the chocolate up. Okay, guys, so we're going to open up another thing of chocolate. And this is like an extra large Hershey chocolate. So like I said, you only need like 18 ounces depending on how many people you're making things for. This is good for the holidays, or if you just want to to do like a a weekend snack for the kids. Crunch it up. Put it on a plate. So Faith is whipping up the chocolate.
Oh no, it's leaking.
That's okay.
1 and 2.
So while she's cutting up the chocolate, you also need, they say about 40 pieces of Oreos, but we're not doing that much Oreos. So we're gonna take, while she's cutting up the chocolate, I'm gonna open up the Oreo cookies, and you have to crunch it all up. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in a blender. We're gonna put,
I want the plate.
okay, keep chopping up your chocolates, and we're gonna put the Oreo cookies in a blender. So I'm gonna take the cookies and I'm gonna dump them in here so you guys can see. This is the Oreos, and
Chop it.
I'm gonna just start crunching them up, but I'm gonna put them in a blender. I'm just gonna start crunching up some.
I gave it.
Comment down below if you tried this or if you had them for the holidays. Let us know how your recipe came out. Or let us know if you want us to make something else, and we will be happy to make another recipe or dessert or snack or whatever.
I'm done.
You done mushing up your chocolate? Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up another pack of Oreos.
Chop it.
Chocolate, 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 chocolate. And we're gonna chop them up. So we're putting more cookies in. I don't think you need no more chocolate, Faith. I think that's enough. Yeah, so I'm chopping up the Oreos.
It's good.
Then we're gonna put this in a blender.
But it's not done. It's tiny.
They're tiny, but you eating the chocolate.
Right here.
Right here in your mouth? I know.
It's good.
I bet it is good. No more. No more. You're gonna run out chocolates and we're not gonna have anything to show your friends. Okay, so we have our sour cream. Our sour cream was already made. We put that in a bowl. So we're gonna take the blender and we're going to pour the cookies. Steph, you want to pour the cookies in the blender? So that's all the cookies. So I think this should be enough for everyone. Huh? Okay, so we're gonna go with that much. I think that should be enough. Okay, I got a trick for you. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the blender. And I'm about to take this chocolate from her because she is gonna be so hyper. She's not gonna wanna go to sleep. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. We have our Oreos here. I have the chocolates that I'm going to melt. So we're gonna pour the chocolates inside of this bowl. And I'm gonna crunch these up again, the chocolates. I'm also gonna take some of the yellow Oreo cookies and I'm just gonna sprinkle some of those on top. We'll show you that after we put this in the freezer. Okay, we're gonna hold that to the side. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in the blender. gonna put the Oreos in this blender here. Okay, guys, so we added the Oreos in the blender and started grinding the chocolate. I added 2 cheese in there, so that's not going down. Added cream cheese. So we'll move that way, and now we're going to. Going to mix them all together and start to form like little ball shapes.
Okay.
And we're then gonna put them in the freezer.
Okay.
And we're gonna let them stay in the freezer. And then we're gonna take them out the freezer and we're gonna show you guys what we came up with, right, Faith? Okay, guys. So Faith wanted to put some pink sticks in, and she started it already.
My color is pink.
Your favorite color is pink?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're putting these little sticks on top, and we're gonna. That's okay. We'll clean it again. And we're gonna pop these in the freezer. Oh, you just put all the chocolate on me, huh? I'm adding in some more chocolate.
I don't want to fizz.
We should have let them cool off first before we put the chocolate, but it's okay. So Faith is putting on all the sticks.
My favorite color is pink.
I decided to add in some golden Oreos and crunch them up and add them on top of the cookies. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to take some of these golden Oreos and I'm going to add, I'm going to crunch them up, or try to crunch them up. And I'm going to add them on top of the chocolate.
I love color pink.
Your favorite color is pink?
Yeah.
Oh, that is.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink too.
What is my color pink?
Pink and purple is my colors.
What is that be? What is that be?
Curry color? Curry likes red.
Mine likes purple.
Mm-hmm. I know. So guys, we are cutting up the golden ones and we're gonna just add some crumbs on top, or try to. Okay, let's sprinkle some of this golden on top to give it a little pizzazz, to give it some flavor. So that's what we're doing. We gotta crunch it up and put it on top. That make it look pretty, right? Wait, we gotta crunch it up. Let me help you. Crunch it up. So I can't wait to see what these taste like after we add them
I'll crunch it up
inside the freezer. We're gonna see what they turn out to be. You ready to add them in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on. So this is what we've done so far.
I'm done.
And we're gonna add these in the freezer.
I waited. It's in the
Here, hold
freezer.
this. Okay guys, so we're gonna add this in the freezer for maybe 20 minutes. Let it get hard.
Don't put it on my finger.
So we're gonna add this in the freezer, guys.
That's it. Right here. On my finger.
So that's what we're doing. We're gonna put it down here. Where the ice is.
Folds. Oh no, it's empty.
Yeah, we want it to get hard.
The fries.
We want it to get hard. So we are gonna check back on it. Okay guys, so we finished the Oreo bombs. We took them out the freezer. And this is the result of how they came out.
I want to try.
You're gonna try it?
Mmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Let me see. They look like lollipop cake pops to me, but those are the Oreo bombs that we did. They came out really cute. So going forward. Oh yeah? Okay. All right. So going forward, the next time we make them, we know to let the hot chocolate cool off first and then we'll do them. But Faith, you want to say bye to your friends and thank you for watching?
Bye-bye.
Bye everybody. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.